Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan ra shapi da ka rupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Tang hadian kendiat kenta bagi yang dorbar tauan jong Raja Sabha kamshim lala ban menjur ya ka Citizenship Amendment Bill henne kasngi khalai terik benai rempang arjar khat kendai u menteri rangba ka jelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma u balong ru National President ka National People's Party ulaong bagani ka jingjob kadai ka jong ka sur upait ba ya ka Citizenship Amendment Bill balawan ra da ka Sarkar National Democratic Alliance balayalam da ka seng BJP. Konrad Sangma ubadang don mentas Delhi bat kiwei pat kinong yalam jong seng sain pertai riolom bat kontupru ya kinong yalam ke North East Students Organization ha ka jinge kren bat kilat patai kubor ula ai kuple ya ki pat ba katain stay lamingi ki balami pat ba ban persya ya kani ke bill.
No, I think it reflects the sentiments of the people, and that is why we are all here today, and that is why we have been raising the voice of the people, across the states of the Northeast. About why this bill is something that the people of Northeast cannot accept, and that's why we are seeing so many people coming out and opposing this. Even the mothers, even different organizations, even religious organizations at different levels have come out. So I think it clearly reflects the sentiment of the people of the Northeast, and I'm hopeful that all the political parties of the country as a whole will realize that this is an issue not just about the Northeast, but about the country as a whole, and this should not be taken. There is no politics in this. I think it will not be appropriate for anybody to talk about politics in this. You are seeing that we are all here as citizens of Northeast, and really all concerned about the situation in the Northeast, and that's really what the center is, and that's really what the issue is, and that is what has brought us together. It's about the people of the Northeast, and whether it's a political party, whether it's NGOs, students, we have all come together because it's an issue that affects each and every one of us. Therefore, I think it's not about politics, and let's not talk about politics in this. It's about the issue.
Hakabay day bat ka jing penbena jong Konrad Sangma dangshen ban pendekut no ya ka jingya day bat ka Sarkar NDA lada ka CAB ka yo ya ka jing menjur ha ka yeng dorbar tauan Raja Sabha u Konrad Ulaong baka party kan sasyong perkhat biang halor gani.
In talks with them, I have discussed with them, and we have always said they also understand the sentiments. But of course, the decision is not right now. We've been very clear that the political decision will be taken at the appropriate time. I mean, we have already decided if that situation comes, but I'm saying the action will be at the appropriate time. So therefore, let us wait and see. We are hopeful that, as I said, discussion with all different political parties is going on, and let us see what the
Are you
outcome
saying
is.
the two CMs are with you?
No, it's not like that. As I said, we have just shared our views and opinions about the issue, concerns about the issue. I've explained to them also from my side. And so we are in discussion. So obviously we have to discuss about it. But what will happen, as I said, when time... Manipur we have, and Nagaland also we have two MLAs. And Meghalaya also we are there. So therefore, in a situation which we have said earlier, if that happens, then definitely we'll have to reconsider our ties with the NDA. But right now we are, as I said, we are hopeful. We're talking to all political parties that this kind of situation will happen, and we will get support from all different corners. We are getting support from different corners, and we'll be able to. I'm sure that we'll hopefully that we'll be able to sort this.
But BJP's intention is very much clear. They didn't listen to your voice.
So let us see what happens.